Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Are you struggling to connect your universal remote to your TV or devices? Don't worry, today I'll show you how to program a generic universal remote in just a few minutes. No technical skills needed, just follow along step by step. Part 1. What is a universal remote? A universal remote is a device that can control multiple electronics like your TV, set-top box, DVD player, or even sound systems, all with one remote. Whether you lost your original remote or want to simplify things, this is the perfect solution. Part 2. Things you need. Before we start, make sure you have your generic universal remote, the device you want to control, TV, DVD, etc. And if available, the remote manual or code list. Don't worry if you don't have the code, we'll cover that too. Part 3. Method 1. Using code entry. Let's start with the easiest method, manual code entry. Turn on your device, like your TV, press and hold the setup button until the light turns on. Press the device button, TV, DVD, aux, enter the 4-digit code from your remote's code list. If the light turns off, the code is correct. Part 4. Method 2. Auto code search. 2:30 to 4 o'clock, no code? No problem, let's use auto search mode. Turn on your device, hold the setup button until the LED lights up. Press the device button, TV, etc. Press the power button repeatedly. Keep pressing until your device turns off. Part 5. Common problems and fixes. If your remote isn't working, try these quick fixes. Replace batteries. Make sure you're pointing directly at the device. Try different codes. Reset the remote and start again. Conclusion. And that's it. Now you know how to program a generic universal remote easily. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, I'll help you out.